Okay, I'm gonna do a funny one. Ready, Emmett?
No, please don't.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Emmett.
You're
Ready?
cringy.
Hey, this is Cooking with Compare, and I'm Tonya Edey, and I am the owner baker with Tasty Trays. This is my son Emmett, and we're gonna be doing a baking edition of Christmas cookies and decorations.
Happy holidays from Compare TV. I'm FlyTy.
And I'm Jordan.
And today we have something real special for you. It's holiday time, so we'll be making some holiday treats, right, Jordan?
Yeah, we'll be making Christmas Tree Cupcakes.
Also, we'll be making sugar cookies with Christmas lights on. What else?
And we'll be making Rice Krispie Reindeer.
Oh, are you ready to have some fun?
I'm ready.
So go ahead and get your piping bags out. I got one for the little guy. And then I like to use 2 piping bags. One is the 1M, because when you're making the Christmas tree on the cupcake, you're really gonna want to have that star tip. This one is the 6B. 6B is what I'm gonna use for the base. I'm gonna put the white frosting in this bag. Now I'm gonna reserve half of the frosting because we're gonna need it for our Christmas trees. So you're gonna wanna put your frosting right in there.
When it comes
Go ahead and squeegee it. Boom. Until you see a little bit of it coming out. Boom. I'm gonna grab some green food coloring. And as it's mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and just squirt some in there. Not as dark as I'd like, but again, play around with your colors. Basic thing is we just want it to be green, right?
Yes.
And don't stress. Like if it doesn't come out the color that you want, it's about the presentation. So just remember, as long as it's green, people get the idea. Okay, so we've gone ahead and made some nice chocolate cupcakes. Again, you can use a box mix, or if you have a wonderful, homemade cupcake mix, most certainly go ahead and look up and use your recipe as needed.
So we made it easy. Instead of baking the cupcakes, we just bought the cupcakes from Compare Foods, right? Not with his money, and my money, right?
You took my money.
So I'm gonna show you the first one, and then I'm gonna show you, because he's my test person, okay? So watch how I do this. You ready? We're gonna go ahead and take our first, I'm gonna push these off to the side just so you can have a better view. Here's our cupcake fully done, and that's what we're trying to achieve. So we're gonna go ahead and pipe the frosting on. This gives you that snow layer. And then we're gonna grab one of our waffle cones, stick that right on, because this is gonna be your Christmas tree.
All right, and then we gotta have some decorations. Now, this wasn't in Chef Tonya's recipe, but we're gonna add our own ornaments, okay? And what you can do is get some sprinkles. Say it like that, say
Sprinkles.
Okay, and then everybody loves white Christmas. So we gotta have fake snow. What are we using for our snow?
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. You gotta be like, pow! Okay, Jordan, let's use our sugar cone from Compare. Just going them on like that. Press it down a little bit harder, Jordan. Like that.
Then we're gonna get to piping. So we're gonna go ahead and take it, and you're gonna push and pull, push and pull. And you might have to twist it a little bit because nothing is perfect, but you'll get the hang of it. Just keep doing twist and pull. This makes like those little tiny leaves that you see over there. You can go ahead and put your finger right on the top and to hold it steady. What do you think so far? How do you like our Christmas tree?
Looks nice.
Well, thank you. And when you get to the top, this is like the probably most difficult. I like to just kind of swirl it a little and boom.
We're gonna use a special decorated tip. So, oh, there we go. All right, and we're gonna go all the way around. Dab.
Okay, yep, hold on to the top. And want me to help? Push. So you push it and then pull. Push, pull. Let your kids have fun with this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Your Christmas tree looks great. Yeah, what would you tell them?
Just have fun.
And don't take it serious?
Yeah.
Because the best part is what?
Having fun.
And eating it.
Yeah, technically, yes.
So now that all of our trees are done and they look great, well, yours is kind of leaning to the side. Like somebody about to chop down your Christmas tree. So what is time for now? What is the time?
Time for the decoration.
Decorations! Put some of our stars at the top. It's snowing.
Awesome, awesome job. Do you want to sprinkle it?
Yes.
So there we go with our Christmas trees. You've got the blue spruce, you've got the fir, you've got the swirl, you got it all. You decide how you want to do your Christmas tree. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna move on to decorating our reindeers. All right, so we have our reindeer stuff now. So we have our pretzels, we have the melted white chocolate, we have our M&Ms, the eyes, and of course, some hair. So these are just Christmas decorations. They're, you know, kind of festive, holiday editions. You can use whatever you want. So we're gonna go ahead and take our Rice Krispie Treats now that they've cooled down. We're gonna take them right out of the pan. We're gonna go ahead and cut this into 8 equal pieces. So I like to start by just like eyeballing it, just cutting off to the side. So this is just like me taking that test run like right here. We'll cut it into 4. From that 4, we're gonna go ahead and cut it again, and then I'll make it all the way down through.
So now we're gonna give the reindeer a nose and some ears. Let me see your reindeer ears. You gotta do your reindeer.
We're gonna take some of the chocolate, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and put that right on his nose first. So let's give him a chocolate nose, okay? That way it stays on. And then again, you're gonna take it, we're gonna give him a couple eyes. So be generous with this too, because you don't want his eyeballs to fall off. Do you wanna put his eyes on?
Yes.
Okay, grab 2 eyes.
I'm just seeing pupils.
That's okay. Perfect, okay. The next part, I don't like to use the toothpick because it takes too long. So what I do is I do this. Grab it, you're just gonna kind of frost in along the top, because now his ears and his hair is gonna go on. 2.
Is that his ears?
These are his ears.
The eyes. Let's make the eyes right here in the middle. My eyes are a little runny. Name all the reindeers. Don't know them, do you? What's the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph. So what color nose should he have?
Red.
All right, give me some M&Ms, buddy. That's pretty cool. All right. Now we gotta put a little bam on it.
What one do you wanna use? Do you wanna use this or that? This one? Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna take a few of those out. We're gonna put them on here, if they stay on. But take a look at that guy. How cute is he? Super cute. So this is Dasher. We're gonna put Dasher off to the side. Bye, Dasher. See you soon.
No.
Okay, now let's work on Blitzen.
What?
I'm trying to teach you the reindeer names, but he's not having it.
Looks like we're all done, Jordan. I think it looks good.
I think it looks good.
Can you tell everybody what we just made?
We just made Rice Krispie reindeers.
Yes! And don't they look delicious? Absolutely. And they smell good. You ready to eat it now, aren't you?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead with Rudolph. He is our final reindeer and the best, in my opinion. But again, I'm gonna put a little extra just on the top for his antlers. A little something right there for his nose. All right, so let's go ahead and get his nose. Here's your red M&M. I actually dipped the chocolate pretzel in the white chocolate, only because I like to make sure that they really stay. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and give him some hair. All right, you guys ready to see Rudolph?
Sure.
Here we go.
And stuff falls off.
Rudolph's mine, don't touch him.
No, he's mine.
No, he's
I'm
mine.
gonna eat him.
Here
Back up.
is all of your reindeer. All 8.
Now it's time to decorate our Christmas tree like cookies. You ready?
I'm ready.
We have some buttercream frosting. Where's the buttercream frosting at? Thank you, cameraman. White buttercream frosting. You want to do the blue or the red? Let's do both. All right, for our string. And then, what else? For our balls. M&M's! Seriously, the worst cameraman. Okay, all right. Let's get a butter knife for you, one for me. Now it's time to decorate. Ready? You can find all this stuff at Compare Foods, right? You?
Yes.
Have you ever put on frosting before?
Me?
Yeah. All the time. But most importantly, it's fun to do. With your kids. Are you having fun with your dad?
I'm having fun.
Yeah, right. It's like, Dad, you're making me do this, Daddy.
So you have leftover frosting, right? Let's go ahead and pipe some of that frosting on there because you want to get the most use out of your material. So let me go ahead and grab a little bag.
This lady's crazy.
And you might say, where's the tip? You don't need a tip for this.
Then how are you gonna do the...
Great question, sir. Great question. Okay, so let me get some scissors. You're gonna go ahead with the tip. It's very tiny. You're gonna go ahead and cut off a very tiny little piece of that tip. You then will be able to squeeze this down in. So the great thing about these bags are, if it's not coming out, go ahead and cut a little bit more. So here we go with the line.
And of course that.
Right, because this looks better. This looks like a Christmas
that looks
line.
Jordan, shake it up. You got it, dude. We're just gonna make a string like we're going across. Whoa. All right, we got our strings done. Easy. And what's next, Jordan? M&M's. These are gonna be our light bulbs.
I bet you're ready to eat them, huh? Yeah. And there. Okay. And of course, the leftovers you can give to your kid.
And there you have it. Look at those cookies. Don't they look delicious? Oh my goodness.
So here we are. All right. We'll be back in just a second and you'll see all of your baking products today together. That's it for today. Here's the 3 desserts that we made. These are some treats that you can make and you can share, or you can just eat them just yourself, of course. Emmett's gonna eat them all himself.
We did it. We did it, Joy. Great job. Come on, man. Bring it in. Happy holidays from our family to yours. Me and my son spent the afternoon making some great holiday treats. You can have some fun with your family too. And big shout out to Chef Tonya and her son Emmett. They did a great job, but I think ours look better. I think ours look better. Happy holidays from our family to yours and Compare Foods. Can you say bye, Jordan?
Bye.
Happy holidays.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.